Top of the top, y'all, it's your boy Show tapping in. Today, I'm just going to run through 3 quick ways that we like to create urgency when working with our sellers, all right? That just simply means getting the client to go ahead and move forward, executing an agreement quicker so we can go ahead and get the process started instead of all the excuses that they like to use to prolong the process. First, we like to present to them the disadvantages of not selling, all right? So what are all the negative effects that they could feel the longer that they wait? Second, we like to present the advantages of selling the property to us. What would your life look like if you went ahead and sold this property? If you had $70,000 cash in your pocket, if you could get away from that property and not ever have to deal with those problem tenants again, how would that help you sleep at night? Third, we use a partner as leverage. Even if you don't have a business partner, you can still use this strategy, all right? So what that would look like is, hey, John, I know you're at $80,000 asking price. We're at $70,000 on our offer. And to be honest, my partner wanted to be at $65,000 and I got him to come up. Now, if I could go back and talk to him and I'm able to squeeze out another couple grand and we can get to $73,000, is that something we can move forward with today? If you are in wholesale real estate or any type of sales position, period, where you are on the phone making outbound calls, trying to get a seller to go ahead and sign a deal with you, these can be very critical for your success. Tap in.